Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download HP EliteBook 84514. Okay, so driver download. So use any browsers to Google search box to type as it is same and go to this support dot and like that support.hp.com and driver and model. Okay, you just right click to open new tab. Come this, if you using this is automatically detect your Windows 11, sorry, Windows 10. If you are in different, so you can select the operating system which is you using. So BIOS, system, firmware, diagnostic, drug, audio, chipset, enabling graphic, keyboard, mouse, network, firmware, and all security solutions and toolkit are available. So guys, audio. So click to download audio driver, then chipset. Okay, chipset AMD CheckHealth driver, try to this one and click to download. Okay, come to back, click to download more driver. You automatically come to back, install downloaded page, then the graphic card. So try AMD graphic card. Okay, and then keyboards, mouse, this is camera driver, this try to this one. Then network means this is LAN driver, this is Wi-Fi driver, and this is Bluetooth driver. You can check required driver and scroll down, go to download selected. Okay, at one time. Okay, so which file I install, which is Bluetooth, click to this and then click to yes, AMD chipset driver, then next. Okay, then next, I accept term and the license agreement. So this process installations almost same guys. If we download any driver, this is same, just double click to open and next to install it. Okay, this is all the driver, like this is wireless LAN driver, this is Wi-Fi driver. So just click to next and you can see the driver 802.11 and adapter and all. Okay, like, okay, then next I accept, the next and install it. Okay, thank you.